Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to go over the final exam review questions. So first I want to tell you about the rules and the format for the exam. You are allowed to bring a cheat sheet, which is an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper, double-sided. You can write whatever you want on your sheet by hand only. So for example, you can include Python syntax, example code, you can include the answers to these review questions, inspirational quotes, a sketch of your cat, anything you want. So for the exam itself, there will be two parts, reading code and writing code. In the reading code part, for every question, you just have to write down what will print, okay, when the program runs. So you pretend like you're Python. To make it really clear, like how and where to write your output, I'm going to give you a box with lines where you should write down every line that will print out exactly like Python would do it. Okay, do not include anything that will not print in the lined box. If you want to write extra stuff, you can write that in the margins, scratch work in the margins. If there's going to be an error, you can write error. And then for your scratch work, as I said, you can put it anywhere else in the margins. You can put it like on the question itself, just not in the printout box. Okay, so here's an example of what it's going to look like. So you'll have the question code in a box, and then you'll have a lined box where you're going to put the printed output. And then you can put notes and margin, scratch work and things in the margins or on the question box. But in the part where the lines are, where you're supposed to put the printout, only put the lines that will be printed out by Python there, nothing else, okay? And write them exactly like Python would print them. Okay, so that is the instructions for the exam. And now let's go ahead and look at the actual practice questions.